there is this part of it that may be confusing for beginners in design. Yeah, they will be wondering, how do you make that? I thought a rectangle should be regular, but this is having a kind of manipulation there. So that's what we'll be trashing out in these designs. So first of all, let's get our background. I would advise designers, don't change your background from here, rather import a shape. Okay, so let's use this to cover the entire cover, and the background is a gradient here. Is a gradient. Let's create a gradient. um, I'm going to add a node. They are called nodes. So these are the gradient is. So let me pick the first color. Remember, I can pick it from the flyer exactly so that I can get the exact color. Since I'm replicating, I do the same thing now, and there we go. And I think the center node is white, so or very light blue. And there we go. You see, we've gotten the background already, and let's put it to back. So the next thing we have to do is to put up this the center shape. Is that okay? Then let's get the shape with a little radius. Okay, let me expand it so that I can get the exact size of this shape. Lock this at the back. Put it to 100. Just try to follow me. I know I'm a bit fast, but just follow the process. So let me go back. I can start dragging here, but for your shape to have a better appearance, come back to your edit to work on it. So I'm going to expand the shape this way. Then you see I'll have to reduce the radius. I'm trying to get exactly the same shape. I think with this we are good to go. Then let me put this off for purpose. Then there's a shape, another one at the back. So let's get that. Excuse me. Okay, so there we go. So this one has what color now? Sorry, it's a purple gradient, and this one in front has a blue color. So edit, come to color, you pick the exact color from here, and there we go. Then good. Then you come to this one at the back, you pick it. Let's put it to back, and instead of us to pick color, we'll pick gradient, and then we have to use the dark purple. Let's just pick the color to make it easier. I don't have the color code of hard. Okay, then this other part I'll pick it too, and there we go. So it's in this format. Remember, you can adjust it this way to get exactly what you want. Just know your tools, and it will be very easy for you to implement. I'll reduce the undersize of this so that it will not come up. Let's see if we are in line. Okay, we are actually in line. So let's get, then the next thing to do is to merge these two shapes. Let's merge them, and let's get a circle. We're almost there, not difficult. Sorry, circle. So so this circle now, we'll have to, I'll make it as small as this stuff here. Oh man, I think I'll have to adjust this outside. Let me use the relative position too. I'll first of all make it the same 14 14. Just follow me, it's not difficult. Okay, so I'm trying to get that circle up there. Let me put this off. So as you can see, I've gotten it. I'm going to make it blue. Oh my, what's that? I'm going to make it blue, and then I'll put this up. And the next thing to do is to add a stroke to this circle. Let's see how big enough this stroke will be. Oh my, let's go back here. There are two steps actually in doing this. You can either use a stroke or you use a circle. So I wanted to try the stroke method firstly, then stroke width. We can't use the stroke method now because it's limited. So let's take another cycle. Let's pull this shape off, and then let's bring it, we'll make it white, and put it at the back of the blue circle, and try to get this exact cutting. So I'll make it smaller until it looks like it. I think, and you see the blue circle is at around the center. So put this on back. You see we are having something similar. So what I will do now is to merge all the shapes. Yes, you can observe I've been using the mesh tool here. There's a mesh tool there. So you merge all the shapes, and there's a tool which is very powerful for this. This is a hack that you can use to create different kinds of stunning shapes, effect, and all that. Are you with me? So I'm going to show you another hack that you can use this tool to do. Erase color. So you simply come to the erase color tool. Let me do it again, and simply enable. When you enable it, it automatically erase anything that is white in your shape. Yes, so that is how we've been able to get this right now. So I can increase the tolerance and increase the smoothness, and there we go. And you see that we've gotten what we want, and from there we can start designing our flyer or our design. The other parts of the design are pretty easy, just to get your structure and continue. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.